Welcome back, friends, to my Git channel. And today's topic we are discussing is merge conflict. So, first of all, what is merge conflict? The question is why we are talking about merge conflicts. The merge conflict is a conflict between the two versions of a single file in a Git repository. Yeah, and we call it conflict because one developer did a change, let's call change A in a file, and another developer did the another change at the same location of the same file. Yeah. Then there is a conflict that appears, and Git needs to know that which version is more recent or more correct, that Git needs to pick. Yeah. Otherwise, it will not be able to recognize that which version is the correct one, and how to resolve this conflict, or which version we should take. Yeah, so we need to resolve it manually in that case. And sometimes Git is smart enough, and it knows that if two developers are changing the file at not exact line number 10, for example, but different lines are modified, so it also resolves some conflict automatically, and it does not ask you that this is the conflict I am not able to resolve, what to do. But in this video we will talk about how the merge conflict looks like. Yeah, so first of all, the merge conflict appears when we raise a pull request. Yeah, so just to refresh, this is our Bitbucket repository which we were using for the tutorials earlier, and for your refresh, there are some dummy source code that we have added together with you, and some these files were created to exemplate it. Yeah. Then merge conflict appears when we raise a pull request. Yeah, and how do we know that there is a merge conflict? For example, this is a pull request which is having a merge conflict. I have prepared it in the background in order to demonstrate it. Yeah. So if I open this pull request, we see first of all an icon here that there is a merge conflict at the top. Yeah. I am taking this video with Bitbucket repository, and I will not make it with Git again because it's same. Yeah, it's nothing very different that we will not understand if we look at the Git repo. It's the same. So it recognizes here that there is a merge conflict, and if you scroll down, you see that there are conflicted files. In my example, there is one file which is conflicted, and it looks scary at the first look, but if we understand this notation, it's not that much. Yeah. So as I said, the merge conflict is appearing in a file. So where it appears, first of all, when we raise a pull request. Otherwise there is no conflict at all. So we raised a pull request, and the pull request is telling us that there is a conflict. Yeah. Where is the conflict? In the file git concepts.java. Yeah. In this file there is a conflict, and it is showing us the source of this file, that what the conflict is. Yeah. So if we look at this part, it looks scary, but it is not. Yeah. What it is saying, that at the same line, yeah, for example this line, one developer has written green peacock, yeah, and another developer has written red peacock. Yeah, so it is showing the changes with this equals line. Let me make it somewhat bigger. Yeah, yeah. And see, this is the line which is bifurcating the changes. So above this line there is one change, and below this line there is another change, and these are the opening. This is the opening line and this is the closing line. Yeah, so less than is opening, and greater than is closing. Yeah, and now we are able to tell that okay, why it is thinking that this is a conflict, that before this equals line there is another change, and after this equals line there is some other change, and it is not able to decide because it's how it will know that which one to take. Yeah, that is why it is showing us that this file is conflicted. And then the next step for the developer would be to resolve this conflict. In the next video, we will first create the conflict to know that how the conflicts are created in real world. And then in another video, we will see that how we can resolve it. Yeah. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and yeah, happy getting. See you in the next video. Bye.